What's up, people? This is Appu, and you are watching Appu's Beauty and Internet, the place to know DIY hacks, secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Today I'm going to show how to prepare cabbage chutney. So let's start. Heat a pan, dry roast 2 teaspoon peanuts and 2 teaspoon sesame seeds for 5 to 8 minutes and keep it aside. Next, in the same pan, add 2 teaspoon oil, then add 10 to 12 fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1.5 teaspoon Channa DAL, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Jeera, and saute it on low to medium flame till golden brown in color. Next, add green chillies, stir and mix well, and close the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add tamarind, mix well. Next, add cabbage and roast for only 2 minutes. Transfer this mixture to a blender, add salt, blend to a smooth chutney. Now heat a tadka pan with 3 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and red chilli. Add hing and few curry leaves and coriander leaves. Mix well. Now add this tadka to the cabbage chutney and mix it well. Now the delicious and tasty cabbage chutney is ready to serve. Serve this cabbage chutney with hot steamed rice or with any dosa or uttapam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.